Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to explain about FemVibe.com reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? And if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So let's start with the homepage of this website, guys, and this is the beautiful homepage of this website. It is an online shopping store based in United States that deals with multiple and unique personalized theme-based products including canvas pillows, personalized dog Christmas 2020 mug, and memorials, t-shirts, etc. The prices of these offerings are pretty good. So guys, you can find the desired option by visiting the product category of this website. Now let's check out the payment information of this site first. So you can see the modes of payment available on the website are MX, MasterCard, PayPal and Visa. And let's check out the shipping policy of this website. For that you need to visit the shipping information. And here you can get the information related to production time, processing time and standard shipping duration, which is 5 to 7 business days. Rest you can read for your knowledge and convenience, guys. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And without wasting time, let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign. And talking about its domain information, guys, the domain name was created on 3rd of June 2020. That means it is 6 months old website, so we can trust on it. But before that, we need to discuss more factors to define its legitimacy. So let's check out the About Us section of this website. This is the About Us page of this website, and they have mentioned the offerings information along with the address. So this is a good sign, but I'm not able to view the business establishment year information here, which is a negative sign. Anyways, let's check out the contact details. For that, you need to visit the contact us page, guys. And here, they have mentioned a query form. Apart from that, in the option more info, you can find the warehouse's address of Canada and US. So this was the contact us information, guys, which seems to be legit, but let's check out the email address. So guys, in contact us page, they have not mentioned any email address, which is not a good sign. Anyways, let's talk about the social media presence. So guys, this website has no social media presence according to the present details of the website, but yes, according to our research, we have found Facebook page of this website, and some customers liked the offerings of this website. So this is a good sign here that shows that the site has small social media presence on Facebook. Now let's check out the return policy of this website. For that, you need to visit the return and refund page. So here the website has mentioned 30 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product. Apart from that, guys, the email that they have mentioned is customer@femvibe.com, which matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. Now guys, talking about femvibe.com reviews, we have found mixed reviews about the site and offerings on the official website, and you can visit the page as well, which is happy customer page. So guys, here we have found majority of positive reviews. One of the customers said, I received the personalized flag, it is awesome, hope my nephew and his wife like it too. And the customer has mentioned, I have washed it over, sorry, I have already shared in my disappointment with my tea. The tea colors were not vibrant. It looked as though I have washed it over, and for a year the color is very faded. So I'm disappointed. So this was the negative review. So guys, in general, I can say we have found mixed reviews about the site on the internet. Most of the customers are satisfied with the offerings, but few customers are not satisfied with the quality of the products. And yes, in the final conclusion, I would say the website appears to be legit, but we highly recommend you to check out the site carefully before you decide to place any order. Guys, explore the information before making any online purchase, because it's really very important. And yes, make a wise decision. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. To comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting, keep supporting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a good day.